Hi, welcome to Jaguar Trade Advisory online training. In this video, our topic is A Life Medic Family. This is the plan for the pure medical under AIA Public Takaful.
This is the brochure that you can get from AIA website. Please get this product PDF file to study for more information. Here is the A Life Medic Family summary, and this is the coverage and the benefit. And also, please study Q&A because you will get a lot of information here. This brochure comes with two versions, which is Malay and English, and at the back there are premium table that you can refer later. This product is very comprehensive, cover up to 100 years old and affordable, harga mampu milik. This product is targeting to all those who are young people when they are single, fresh graduate and start working. They can apply for the individual. 2 years later, if they are get married, so the client can cover the spouse. Even if they have a new family member, so it also can cover them as a whole family.
Let me go through one by one with you about the plan. Okay, the annual limit of this plan is 150,000 ringgit. That means if anything happen to the customer, so the yearly medical coverage that they get is up to 150,000 ringgit. There is no limit for lifetime. It means that customer can claim every year with the same amount, which is 150,000 ringgit per year. Amount deductible is when the customer admit to the hospital, so they need to pay RM300 ringgit by their own. Okay, next, in hospital care. Hospital room and board, 150 ringgit. Okay, this is when the customer admit to the hospital, so the customer can get room with 150 ringgit. And number 2, ICU. In case customer need to stay at ICU, is up to 150 days per year. Okay, number 3, in hospital related fees. Okay, for all of these, we can cover as per charge, but not exceed the annual limit. Okay, number 4, pre-hospitalization. Within 60 years before hospitalization, usually when people not feeling well, so they will go to the clinic first. So all the treatment and consultation that they do at the clinic, they can cover as just subject to annual limit. Okay, number 5, post hospitalization. Within 150 days after hospitalization. Okay, usually after the customer, after we are discharged from the hospital, there is physiotherapy and others consultation, medical expenses, and so it can claim as charge subject to annual limit, but within 150 days after hospitalization. Okay, for out hospital care, number 6, outpatient kidney dialysis and cancer treatment. For dialysis and cancer treatment, usually is chemotherapy, and we are not admit to the hospital. If the treatment done, then we can go back home. So for this, they get 300 ringgit per lifetime on top of annual limit. So annual limit 150 and they get 300,000 per lifetime. Okay, number 7, daily care procedure and surgery. For example, cataract, so it is charged subject to annual limit. Okay, number 8, emergency accidental outpatient treatment. So for example, if you are cooking, then your accident fall down, so usually we will go to clinic to get the treatment, so we can claim as charge subject to annual limit. Okay, number 9, home nursing care. After discharge from hospital, sometimes we need nurse to come to our house to do some treatment. So we can claim 3,000 per confinement, up to 180 days per lifetime. And number 10, emergency medical evacuations and repatriation. Okay, for example, you go to Japan traveling and there is tsunami happen. So you are injured. So we need the emergency to go back to Malaysia. So up to 1 million, we can book flight ticket and do some arrangement to go back to the Malaysia up to 1 million.
Okay, now come to the second part, yearly premium. This is the plan premium. There are 4 categories here. Person covered and children, person covered and spouse, and person covered and family. Now you can easily get the premium from this table. For example, if your client is age 32 and female, so the yearly premium is 996 ringgit per year. Another example, if your client is 42 years old and he want to cover his children, so the yearly premium is 5,292 ringgit per year. Please take note that person covered and children, we can cover up to 4 children in the plan. Okay, this is by yearly premium. So if your client requests to pay monthly premium, so you need to divide by 12. So the monthly premium is 441 ringgit for a month. That's all for this topic. Thank you and happy selling.